In today's video, I'm going to be giving out 20 plus of my premium text effects for free. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the PSD file and also how to download text effects PSD file. And I'm also going to be creating a WhatsApp group where I'm going to be sharing most of my assets, premium assets there. I'm Joseph from Just Concept. Without any further ado, let's get started. So welcome back to today's video. So you can see we have this is one of the PSD file. So these are the text effects I'm going to be giving out. These are the text effects I'm going to be giving out. Premium, all the text effects here are all premium. I'm going to be giving them out for free, and this is one of them. This is one of them here. This is it. So I'm going to show you how to use the text effect. Just come over to this layer here. You can see this embedded icon on the thumbnail. So this embedded icon, you're just going to double click on it and it's going to open up. So you can see this here. This is the right up. It's under we're going to edit it. Just going to edit it. Then I'm going to just write my name, my Josie, and very done. I'm going to either cancel it and save, or I'm going to save from here. So I'm just going to cancel it and save changes to this turned up here. So I'll just click on yes. So you see it saving, it's loading, then you see it over there. So you can see it's done saving, and here is the right up I put Josie, so you can make adjustments to it. That's the presentation. I think you need this one. So this is the main file here, the effects. So you can turn off the glow, turn off the shadows if you don't need the shadow, and also turn off the background there. You can also go ahead and export it as PNG, or you can export it with the background, and you can also play around with the 3D itself. So this is the text effect. This is the closing text effect. Just play around with it if you're not satisfied with it. So let me just make a little bit adjustment on this one. So with something like this, and I can turn off the strokes. If I don't need the strokes, I can turn off the inner shadow. If I don't need the inner shadow, and I can also turn off the patterns if I don't need the patterns, or I can scale the patterns up, or I can reduce the scale of the patterns. Here, reduce the scale of the patterns, whatever I want to do it. I'm not going to leave it like this and pick OK. Then this is the text effect. Yes, same things apply to the rest. You can just hit on the thumbnail. So for this one that has two editable text effects, different style, then you hit on this is the first one. This is for this. Then this is the second one here. I'm going to hit on the first one, edit it, then. So this is the first one here. So this is actually a shape. I don't know why it was made a shape. There's actually a shape. You can put in your own text though. You can put in your own text. So let's just go over to another one. Let's hit on this second one. I think this is not a shape. So you can see I don't have the fonts here. This is the version 1 regular, so you can just search for the fonts, then install it, then edit it in Photoshop. It's just simple to edit them. So let's move on to how to get the PSD file and also how to download the PSD file. In the case of this video, I have not yet uploaded the PSD file already, so I'm recording the video. So for instance, I'm just going to make use of my last uploaded video, which I dropped the PSD file in the description. So it's the same process on how to download it. So I'm just going to come over to the description, and please make sure to watch the video to the end. Just make sure to watch the video to the end, so it will boost the retention of my video. So I'm just going to come over to here, which indicates the free PSD file here. Open in a new tab. So you can see it is downloading here. So it's very simple to download it. just come over to here. If you're a returning subscriber, it's a good luck for you. Just come over to subscribe to the channel. It will redirect you to my YouTube channel for you to subscribe to the YouTube channel. So you can see here I'm already subscribed to the channel, and you can see here it's already one step. We then watch video. So we're just going to watch the video at least for 5 to 10 minutes from this section, just 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, just watch the video 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm not going to watch the video up to the 10 minutes. I'm just going to pause it, then wait for the 5 minutes or 10 minutes to reach before I. So you can see it's already unlocked. So I'm just going to unlock link. When I hit on the unlock link, it's also going to redirect me to another place. So yeah, it's almost like same process. You have to follow me on Instagram, like a post, follow on Facebook, subscribe, and hit the icon, and so like YouTube video, and also comment. Then you see this place is going to be enabled. You're going to see get your link here. So when you're done completing the steps, you're going to have access to it. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'm also going to be dropping the link to the WhatsApp group in the comment section. And don't forget to leave a comment on this video. I'm Joseph from Jose Concept. See you in my next video. Thank you.